I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you...
What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So I did a flip, and I don't know what happened, but I went to charge it, and my charging port, it just wasn't working.
So the phone is not taken on charge anymore?
No.
Wow. Don't worry, I got you.
Oh my god.
Your phone is ready, sir. Now it's charging.
Wow, looks good. How much do I owe you?
You know what? If you can prove me that you can flip, I'm gonna do this for you for free.
Don't worry, I got you.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh! Alright, you couldn't do it. I need the money, sir.
I can do it. Give me another try.
No. It's okay. Just give me the money. You couldn't do it. Alright, that's enough. Thank you. You are here again?
Last time I was here, I tried to do a backflip, and because I didn't, I had to give you $100. This time, if I do this backflip, you gotta give me $100 plus another 100 on top of it.
What if you fail?
That's not happening.
I'm gonna get $100 more.
Alright, that's cool.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright guys, I need some luck here.
Alright, you ready?
Of course.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! You failed again. I need my $100.
You know what they say?
Next time, buddy.
3 times the charm.
Next time.
Let's go, we're back, we're ready.
I can't believe you are back again, man.
3rd time's a charm. We're not gonna mess it up this time. I've been here twice before. I lost $200 and
Bro, just stop it. I give you 200. Take 200 and stop
I don't
it.
want this 200. You keep that. I want 400.
What if you miss?
I've been practicing.
Okay, if you can do it, I'm gonna get $400.
Easy. Yeah, that's easy.
You ready?
Oh, I'm born ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh my god! Again, bro. Again. Oh my gosh.
I broke my phone.
Oh my gosh, man. Bro, you lost the bet. I want the money.
You want the money too?
Yes, I
just
want the
broke my
money.
phone. My wife's gonna kill me. Oh my god.
Wow. This guy broke his phone too. You got 400. Keep practicing, bro. Next time. I cannot believe you are here, bro.
Of course I'm here. I'm back.
I told you the Ronaldo.
This is Ronaldo. What do you mean?
It's not the Ronaldo I was talking about. I was talking about the Cristiano Ronaldo.
It's my fault you didn't tell me the right Ronaldo.
My gosh, man.
Well, I'm back and I lost $800. What I want to do is I'm going to do the backflip today. It's getting done today. You're going to give me an iPhone 14 and the $800 that I lost.
Really? What if you fail?
What do you want me to do?
I'm gonna cut your hair like Ronaldo and you're gonna pay me $200.
You're going to cut my hair.
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. You couldn't do it again, man.
You got to get softer foot. It's going crazy out there. Make sure I didn't mess it up again this time.
Next time, buddy. Keep practicing.
All right.
200. You want me to put the garbage?
No, you don't need
If
to.
you don't want to have any
Hair on me. You
Acı
could.
bir tane versene orada.
Actually,
Çok poşet.
I have my hoodie. I have my hoodie too. Garbage bag.
You
All
will
right.
have the hair on.
Nerede oğlum?
Arkada hemen yukarıda. Hemen orada ha. Bir tane versene poşet.
We're gonna be looking fresh after this. Don't you worry.
Lan çöp poşeti. Allah'ın verdiği şeye bak ya. Tam orada işte yukarıda. O
Yeah. Okay.
I should have came more prepared. That's.
Okay.
You can make me look good, right?
Huh?
You're gonna make me look good?
Yeah.
Just put it in my head.
That's enough. If you want to make an arm, you can make arm too.
Wait. Yeah, I gotta punch it.
Let me open.
No, it's for the video. You gotta make it more ridiculous. I just messed it all up. That's right. My arms are too big. That's good enough.
What should I say for mine?
For yours?
Yeah.
Just say that you've been practicing and that you're ready.
So you want a Ronaldo, you get a Ronaldo.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Şu an kayıtta mı?
O da kayıtta.
You can say that and I'll be like, well, I didn't really want
Kayıtta
Ronaldo.
değil sanki ya.
Ha? O times rap yapıyor.
Hı.
Ne diyecektim? Ne diyeyim ben ya? What should I say? You want it, you deserve it, or something.
You say,
You tell me. What should I say?
you say you wanted Ronaldo, you got Ronaldo. I was like, I didn't want Ronaldo, I wanted $800.
So, you want a Ronaldo, you gonna get Ronaldo.
Alright, that works.
Ama bunu derken, beni çek, bir de burayı yaparken de yakınlaştır böyle gelirken. Yani görsün herkes saçı kesiyorum harbiden.
Ne yapıyoruz biz? Vallahi billahi. Ne yaptırıyor bize bu ya?
İşte böyle. Adama bak diyor ne yapıyor diyor lan.
Şu telefon bakıyor.
Come on, hurry up before the customers come in. You got customers. We got phones to fix.
Sadece seni çekiyorum şu an.
Okey. Onu da çek. Onu da çekmem lazım.
Yok, sadece seni çekeceğim. Ondan sonra geriye çekileceğim. İkinizi çekeceğim, sonra yaklaştıracağım.
Tamam, bir. One, two. You want a Ronaldo, you get a Ronaldo.
No. I didn't want Ronaldo, by the way. I wanted $800. Oh shit, I'm turning my head. How do I look? He's going crazy up there. He's having too much fun with this.
If you have scissor, I can make it nice, actually.
This isn't your first time?
Your wife is gonna divorce you.
You have other customers that come in like this? You have a shower here or what?
You're gonna go straight home.
Straight home. If I have a home after this. My wife is gonna leave me, all my stuff's gonna be outside.
She's gonna divorce you.
Yeah. How short is it? I have no idea what it looks like.
It's not bad, actually.
Ne yapıyorsun?
Not bad, it's nice. That's good. You gotta land your backflips. That's one thing I learned today.
Yeah, you have to.
If you're gonna do a backflip, you gotta land it.
You need to practice more.
I definitely need to practice. We're gonna get you though. One day you're gonna give me the iPhone 14. It might, the iPhone 20 might be out by then. But I'll take the iPhone 14 for sure.
Do you have eczema?
I'm not even eczema. Yeah.
You have on the
A little bit. Yeah, the red.
Yeah, on the back.
I'm not even gonna use the iPhone 14 when I get it. I'm just gonna mount it on my wall as a trophy.
You gotta give to your wife.
Yeah.
She's dealing with your craziness.
Mhm. Ridiculous. I'm thinking next time I'll wear the other Ronaldo. I think he'll give me some better luck. And he's more handsome too.
Bro, I'm giving you the best haircut you ever had.
I believe it.
You know, I have actually the scissor. Should I cut with my scissor?
No.
No, I can make it nice.
No, you don't have to make it nice. I'm crying from laughing. Got tears coming out my eyes.
Yeah, don't put it here. with his hair stuff. Oh, I wanna clean the hair. How you take this off? And then go like not bad, man.
Look good?
Yeah, I need to be.
Almost better
I
than
need
the
to.
other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, I can cut hair too. $20.
$20.
Make sure you tip me good.
Comes with a free screen protector.
Yes. There's one Turkish guy. He slaps the people and he does the haircut.
You do what you gotta do. I mean, we made it this far.
You get him bald, bro.
What?
You
Bald?
get him bald on top.
Nice.
No.
We're gonna have to go to Turkey.
They're gonna, you know, like your haircut. They're gonna say, okay, we wanna get it done too. If they ask you, where'd you get a haircut?
Yeah.
You
Say,
tell
don't worry, I got you.
You tell money talks lightest. Just tell him, don't worry, I got you. Give it up. Hey, this is crazy.
Oval yapacaksın ha.
Ha?
Oval yapacaksın böyle.
Bu Brezilya Ronaldo gibi olacak.
Tamam işte oval kesin.
Nasıl o var? Üçgen. Yeah.
Değil.
Actually, you know the Ronaldo, he makes it like that.
Yeah, curve.
Oh, you
Yeah.
did.
Curve, yeah.
That's fine.
That's fine. Ha, nasıl yapacağız bunu?
Lan böyle yuvarlak pas koy kenarına böyle kız koysa gibi.
It's gonna be this part. If somebody walk in now,
They're walking in there.
say, what the hell is going on?
Oh, there's a barber shop right next door, right? That's funny.
You have to go next door.
I wish I scheduled them to go over there.
I can say, hey, the cell phone store, move to the right to store next to it. Sorry. Bro, I did it really good.
Yeah.
No bullshit. You want do we have mirror? We have mirror in the back.
Altta bir göster.
Hı?
Altta da böyle yumak var. Hem orası. Sonra aynı orası.
Does it look crazy enough?
No, actually it looks really good. No bullshit. I'm telling you. You gotta like it.
Oh my god.
Hey, you got free haircut.
Yeah.
Only for backflip guys. You guys want to collab? Here, for you. So I'm doing free repair and free haircut. You want me to burn the hair on your ear?
Yeah. With the wax?
No, with the, what do you call?
Alcohol. Or the lighter.
Oh yeah. You ever see the people do with the samurai swords? To like the girls?
But we have to cut this part. We have to.
You can do a little bit. Take a little bit off. Or you
Nasıl?
Onu kesmen lazım. Çok
We have to cut it.
No, no, no.
Because for Ronaldo, usually you have to cut a little bit.
Yeah.
Let me do with the, what do you call? Take this.
You have
also
another
clean.
header. Cevap başka numarasını
see now.
çok kötüdür abi.
Oh, this is.
I got hair in my mouth.
If you ever been in Turkey, you will see what I'm doing. They know exactly what I'm doing. But this is not even cutting.
It's alright, we got the buzzies.
So you want me to shave the whole thing? Like this?
Yeah, but I have it at, see,
Yeah,
I put it
I'm
at
not-
14.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch anything like that.
Yep. That should make it more Ronaldo-y.
So next time you practice more.
I've been practicing.
Ice'ı bıraksanız buraya ya. Niye ice yaptınız?
Is that a good length? That's a good length
Not bad.
for Ronaldo.
Böyle nasıl?
That's more Ronaldo.
More Ronaldo.
Sen de see.
Ice. I'm getting attacked by a vicious pit bull.
He thinks like I'm gonna hurt you. You know, if I had like the good one, I
You're getting a little close on the ears there.
I used to cut, huh? Really, I used to cut people's hair.
Back in Turkey?
No, here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Kırmızıyı al, kırmızıyı.
Ha?
Kırmızıyı al.
Kırmızı mı? Küçük ya o çok.
Oh my god. Don't go too deep.
No, I'm not. Yeah. I think that's enough.
Yeah.
Ne diyorsun? Because once you get the haircut, you might
That's
have
good.
something.
That's good.
Yeah.
Because you can
You need
do
some
it this
space
way.
for the
Yeah.
barber.
Alright, what do I look like? Damn! Is this still going? It's going nice.
You like it? How you like your haircut?
Oh, that's nice. That's smooth.
I told you, man. Ice, what do you think, Ice?
That's a little deep.
That's the number you give me.
Yeah, I know. That's deeper than I thought.
Hey, not bad. Actually, not bad.
That's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. You guys better subscribe because this is my first full video that I'm making.
Yes.
Look
And
ridiculous.
thank you for collabing with me. You guys all wanted to be. And here's the product. If you like my haircut, make sure you subscribe my channel too. And tip me $20. If everybody tip me $1, I'll be rich. And I'll give the half of.
And then you can
money-
do free haircuts.
I'll do free haircut.
After
If
you
somebody
get
give me $1, all my subscribers, I'm all set. Just $1. Only one.
Alright, so now I gotta pay you.
Now you have to give me, yes.
So should I do it here?
Yes, give my money. Get my money! You gotta keep it this one?
I'm keeping some.
Ice. $200.
$200. It's an expensive haircut.
That's what I get.
Make sure I didn't mess it up again this time.
Next time, buddy. Keep practicing.
Alright.
200.